Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Okay, so I unboxed this box last week. I kept the swatches in there. The colors are absolutely gorgeous. So I have been working on a set, and when I say working, I've only done this much. So it's just turned out that I really think that the gel box will be perfect. I still have the lollies, so I can use the dotting tool because I'm going to draw some hearts. And honestly, I'm thinking to attempt the flame as well. It's just one of those things, like, just gotta try. But yeah, I can definitely use that red. I can definitely use that pink. And there's always space for hollow. And then the hearts I can use. So that's what I think I'm going to do. So let's just put the box carefully to one side. Carefully to one side, right. And there's a set. So I have measured these to fit my flanges. And if you can't already tell, it's going to be, hopefully, looking like Betty Boo. Yes. So I will leave a link for the tutorial I followed in the description box. Okay, so I have some color down here on my palette. I'm going to do this for most of the body, and then there's some areas to shade, and I'll use that color there. I did use one of those graphite pencils and sketched her out. So yes, we're going to get into this, and I'm just going to let you watch. I may likely speed it up a little bit, so I won't be talking. I'll just play music through this part, so please enjoy. And I will leave my code on the screen. Is MDNGel15, and you save yourself 15% when you order at Gelbox UK. Woohoo, let's get into it. gosh, thank you everyone for watching. This was a long one for me, not for you, definitely for me. So on these two nails, I'm just putting the hearts. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna definitely do the final shots. I'm definitely gonna speed up the art side of this video because it was long and I did start to get frustrated at one point, and I had to trust the process. So I'm not Van Gogh, I'm an enthusiast, and I know if I keep drawing I'll definitely get better. So yeah, I'm just gonna cure these hearts and then I'm gonna show you the nail.